Hi there, it's me Anmol Samsuhang and you're watching ARS Biologicals. And today I have again come back with a quick microscopic video, and the topic is how potato starch look under the microscope. So in this video we're going to take a potato and cut it into half and going to observe its starch. So let's get started. So I think you must have seen white liquidy or some kind of shiny things in that liquidy part of a potato. When you soak potato while cooking, cotton potato, when you soak it in the water, and when you decant that water, some whitish and shiny particle stays at the bottom as a pellet, and that is nothing other than a starch. So I'm going to make a separate video on how to extract starch on potato, and yes, please be waited about that. I'm going to soon make it. And in this video I'm going to cut the potato into two halves and going to scratch it with a knife and place it on a microscope slide and putting one drop of water and covering with the cover slip and observing under the microscope. So let's get started. So friends, I've taken a knife, kitchen knife, a kitchen cutting board and a potato, usual potato like this. So I'm going to take this potato into a kitchen cut board, and I am cutting this potato into halves, two halves, right, just like this, simply like that. And so I'm taking this potato just like this. I've cut this potato into two halves and I'm going to scratch this inner surface of the potato. I'm going to scratch it like this with a knife, just like this. It's very simple. And as you can see, this white thing, wait a second, as you can see this white thing over here on the knife, I'm going to just place it on the microscope slide like this. So I'm going to take some few drops of filtered water. Okay, I'm spreading it like this and putting the cover slip. So it is done, and our microscope is here, and I'm going to place this slide on the microscope stage just like this. Turn on the light. Let me switch this into light field and we're going to check, and now we're going to observe it under the microscope. So let's get in. Wow guys, so as you all can see, those shiny crystal or some kind of precious gem like thing, that is none other than potato starch, and it is very beautiful. I swear you liked it. It's very kind of cool. Sorry for that some wire like particle. So this is our potato starch. Wow, look at that. This is not any kind of air bubbles or some kind of gaseous bubble, but it is starch. It is a vegetable starch or a potato starch. So I'm going to soon make a video on how to extract potato starch from a potato. So please be waited about that. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it.